Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to learn how we can convert a PDF document into an Excel file. Or in other words, how can we go extract data from an from a PDF document and bring it to Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I have a little PDF document that I'm going to convert to Microsoft Excel. So this little PDF document is this one right here. So it's just a simple list of potential houses. So please take note that it's just a simple table that I have right here. If you have a document with more than just one table, it's gonna work as well. Just select the table that you want to import. You can import one table or you can import pretty much all the tables at the same time. Now, if I want to import this document, how exactly am I going to proceed? So it's pretty simple. In Microsoft Excel, you can import various types of data. So if you go in the data tab just here, you'll be able to import data from various sources. And one of the sources is simply PDF. So if you check here, you can import data from a file, from a database, from Azure, from many other sources, even from internet. And here you can import data from a PDF document. So what we're gonna do right now is pretty simple. We're just gonna click on import data from PDF. Once I have done this, what I can do is I can go and select my document. So you'll have to look for your document inside of your computer. So I'm gonna go here, select my document and simply click on the import button. Now what's gonna happen is that my data will be imported into Microsoft Excel. So as I said a little bit earlier, inside of my file, I have just one table. So if you have more than one table, what you will be able to see is that you'll see table 1, table 2, table 3, etc. In my case, I only have one table. So this is my table. Now, if I want to import it, what I can do is I can only click on the load button. And what's gonna happen is that my little table will be imported into Microsoft Excel. Of course, it's not gonna be 100% perfect. So you will have to do some modifications. So here we have our little database that has been imported. So I'm gonna do right now some modifications to make it, make it a little bit better. So basically 95% of the job is done. Now all I have to do is simply copy and paste this here. And here I can simply delete those cells. And here we go. I have my little database that is already in a table format and that works perfectly. So if we test it, so here for example it's a $sign, so we don't need it, we can just delete it. So if we test it, let's say we are looking for a condo as a type of home. So here we have a list of all the condos that I had inside of my database. So as you can see, it's pretty nice. I imported my data directly from a PDF document. And it took me, 1 minute maybe. So it's pretty simple to do. So as I said, I'm gonna repeat it one more time. Pretty simple, you just go inside of the data tab, you click on get data, and then from here, you simply select your data source, and your data source can simply be from PDF. And here you'll be able to import your databases directly from PDF to Microsoft Excel. So if you like this little tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.